Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into one of the most anticipated compact crossovers of the year, the 2026 Mazda CX-20. With its futuristic styling, luxurious interior, and promising performance, it could be the new king of urban crossovers. Let's get into it. Starting up front, the 2026 CX-20 looks absolutely stunning. Mazda's signature Kodo design language is evident here, with an aggressive black mesh grille and sleek LED headlights that carve into the body like precision blades. The bumper is sculpted with large air vents that add a sporty feel, while subtle chrome accents give it a premium feel. This front fascia means business, bold, modern, and instantly recognizable on the road. Moving to the side, the CX-20 strikes the perfect balance between urban agility and SUV confidence. A bold shoulder line runs along the doors, and those blacked-out wheel arches give it a commanding stance. The slightly sloping roofline hints at a coupe-like silhouette, giving this compact SUV a sleek and youthful look. This is a car that's clearly built for urban sophistication with a touch of weekend adventure. At the rear, the Mazda is minimalist yet sporty. Sharp taillights with a unique lighting signature are connected by a thin LED strip that runs the length of the trunk. Dual exhaust outlets and a contrasting black rear diffuser complete the look, making the CX-20 look as sporty from the rear as it does from the front. It's clean, confident, and instantly modern. Under the hood, we expect the 2026 CX-20 to offer a choice of Mazda Skyactiv G and mild hybrid powertrains, likely starting with a 2.0 L four-cylinder engine that produces around 160 to 180 horsepower. Mazda's emphasis on driver engagement means sharp handling, precise steering, and responsive acceleration, even in this compact crossover. An AWD option could be available for those who want extra traction and performance. Now let's get to what really sets the CX-20 apart, its interior. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a minimalist, luxurious cabin clad in soft-touch materials and premium leather. The two-tone beige and black theme feels luxurious, while ambient lighting adds a sophisticated touch. The center console is clean and intuitive, featuring Mazda's rotary infotainment controls, a crystal-clear digital display, and a unique gear selector. The steering wheel is sporty and feels good in the hand, and the digital gauge cluster adds a futuristic feel. It's quiet, classy, and feels like it belongs in a much more expensive vehicle. The 2026 Mazda CX-20 proves that compact crossovers don't have to be boring. It's stylish, agile, has a premium interior, and promises a dynamic driving experience. Whether you're a city commuter, a young family, or just someone who loves to drive, this could be your next favorite vehicle. So, what do you think of the CX-20? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more reviews. See you in the next video.